I couldn't resist, okay? I saw them in the sale and I was like, I think these two are going to work so perfectly for me. Add to cart, next thing you know, it turned up at my door. I've got two pieces today from 24S that I'm going to be unboxing. And do you want to know what? Okay, one of them is has to be warmer weather, but the other one is really, I'm going to say she's all seasons. Okay, maybe not like an Arctic tundra, but she's a versatile queen, truly. Links will be below and in the shopping prompt on the screen. So, as mentioned, these items are from 24S, who is the kind sponsor of today's video. So, if you didn't know this about 24S, because I feel like not many people do, this is the only online retailer owned by LVMH. Your Louis Vuitton, your Fendi, your Dior, all of that, they're owned by the same people, which means that they're the only online retailer that sells Louis Vuitton, aside from the official Louis Vuitton website. They have a huge range of Fendi, Dior, and also it means that you can find pieces that are like limited edition or from seasons past that you maybe missed out on the 24S website. For example, they've already got a lot of the new season Fendi pieces in that are like selling out very quickly, especially the sequined pieces on the website. This windbreaker, which was from the Baguette collection, is not on the website anymore. It's sold out, but it's on here. And this grey jacket, I have the black version, again, sold out on the website, but they have it on 24S. Both pieces that I got today are from the Memorial Day sale that they're currently having, so check that out. All the links and the details will be below. But another great thing about 24S, they really know how to provide the luxury experience at home, okay? You open up the cardboard box. Merci, from the bottom of our box, crossed out heart, okay? Nice little details. From Paris, with love. I accept your love and I will pay it forward. Thank you so much. Okay, so thank you so much to 24S for sponsoring this video. I'm sorry, look at the bottom of that box. A map of Paris? Are you kidding me? The luxury experience delivered. Okay, anyway, let me show you what I got. It's small but mighty, okay? There's two pieces in here. Both of these pieces are from Paco Rabanne. Are these my first? No, I lie. I have Paco Rabanne jewellery, fashion jewellery, but this is my first clothing piece of Paco Rabanne. Okay, so I saw this top and I was like, this is so cute for the summer. I loved this little piercing detail. It's like a little crop top. I will obviously show you this on, right? You've just got this little piercing detail, nipping everything together. It comes in black. It also comes in a blue, I believe. And I got this in a size 34 and it's perfect. It's one of those really easy tops to wear in the summer that is not just your average t-shirt. Now, we all know, I love a plain white t-shirt, bodysuit, all of that, you know I do. But sometimes you want something that just gives a tiny bit of flavour, just a little, what's that at the end of my tongue? Oh, I wasn't expecting it, you know? And I feel like tops like this are great because they go with everything, but they have a little bit of a design twist. So this was the first thing. And this material is kind of shiny. Okay, so I feel like she could do day and night really well. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. So if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. And then, did I get this because they kind of match? Yes, but also separately, these are both fabulous in their own right. What's that? Is that a maxi skirt? Well, from the way I'm showing it to you, this could be anything. So, it is this maxi skirt. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I really think the Miu Miu skirt that I bought for my birthday sort of dipped my toe into medium longer skirts. I don't know why, I really never looked at them before, but now I'm firmly on the train. And I saw this one, I loved all these little sort of silver button details down the side. It's got a massive slit, again I shall show you, and I liked how it was sort of like ruched again, so it's not just straight up and down, and I thought that the silver of the buttons would match perfectly with the silver of this little piercing thing there. Now this material is different. This is more of a jersey cotton material, but they still go really well together, and I think that this is just going to be one of those really easy skirts that instantly dresses up. So you're going to like dinner, you want to look a little bit dressed up, but you actually can't be bothered. You do a skirt like this that's got like a dramatic slit, whatever, very comfy, nice and stretchy. What size did I get it in? I got this in a size 38, by the way. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm obsessed. Are you kidding me? I feel like Morticia Addams if she was, you know, into a pop of colour. Like, this is... I just feel fabulous. What is it about a maxi skirt? Do you see the way it just drapes? It just kisses the floor. And then you have the... Oh, what's that? Is that a sexy little thigh split? A la Angelina Jolie. Thank you very much. When she just did the leg. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Also, it's a plus that this just happens to be extremely comfy, okay? This is all stretchy, right? You can do things in it if you want to. Oh, if you wanted to. Together, a dream team. You put a pop of colour. You could do also a pop of colour in the heels. You know, just a little flash, little pizzazz, right? And then you have the bag and you're good to go. It feels casual because you're comfy and having a great time, but it looks chic and put together and a little bit elegant, but also like a little bit edgy because she's got little hardware here and a hardware here, and oh my gosh. This is what I've been missing out on with maxi skirts. Are you kidding me? Absolutely. Oh, let's do a 360. Stunning. I feel extremely fabulous in this. Okay, I just confirmed in the mirror. I'm sorry. I don't think I've ever looked this good. Excuse me, yes. Hello. Table for one, please. Paco, R.I.P., but the team knocked this out of the sodding park. The top, I could do this with a cargo trouser, anything high-waisted, you know, to minimise the amount of flesh on show. I'm over 30. The skirt, let me do it with the jacket, just so you can get an idea. This Jacquemus jacket is just going to give the perfect amount of boxiness to the rest of the look, which is very like, you know, bodycon. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm really feeling myself, okay? I shan't apologise for it. Are you kidding me? And you know what? The skirt is long, but I'm not going to get it tailored, okay? Because it's going to force me to wear it with sky-high platforms, of which, you know, I have a collection. And it just looks... I think it just gives even more of like a sprinkling of drama. Obsessed. And then you just do it with like a shirt. You could do like a shirt tied. You could do a bodysuit. You could do, and then just put like a really cool oversized jacket on over the top. Then you proportions, nice and voluminous at the top, you know, tight to the body on the bottom. 10 out of 10. Hope you enjoyed my mini unboxing. Thank you so much to 24S for sponsoring. Once again, the details of their Memorial Day sale will be below. I will leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. And in the words of my father...
If you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.